Megan. So that's Megan making a fire. Say hi, YouTube. Now guys, this is the nice perfect fire ever. And thanks to my friend Megan, we need to keep it nice and toasty warm when it's winter time. So when it's winter time, it's going to be nice and toasty warm. If you have this at home, you have to make it on fire. And you see that, guys? Megan's gonna make this marshmallow even make it grilled and brown. For those of you who likes s'mores, come to Camp Fairlee or go local Camp Fairlee's if you're at Maryland. Nice. So at home, fire always needs to keep it nice and toasty warm during winter time.
Like, subscribe, and comment on all videos.
You hear that, Lucy?
Yeah, like, subscribe, and comment.
So the fire is more than 100%. Don't touch it because it's not safe. Kids, teens, adults, don't touch it because if you touch it, you die. You guys get that? And everybody, you get that? All right. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.